Oh, Mama. Mama's trying to wean you. We have such bad yellow jackets. I'm going to get a trap today. I'm going to order 3 of them. Can't believe only one puppy's been stung so far. Which is pretty amazing because the yellow jackets swarm. Here's your toy box. Want a football? Good potty, Blue.